subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Chuwi MiniBook X. MiniBook X is the world's first punch-hole screen laptop. It sports a small 10.5-inch punch-hole display with a 2K Retina resolution. It has the front camera cut out at the top left-hand side. Punch-hole camera, it has narrow bezels. It also has a chiclet-style keyboard with thinner side bezels. It features a 5MP HD camera at the front for video chats and meetings. Chuwi MiniBook X has a convertible notebook design. It has yoga mode, meaning that it can be tilted and flipped 360 degrees, depending on the usage. Chuwi showcases that it can be used in tablet mode, tent mode, viewing mode and notebook mode. It is powered by the 11th generation Intel N5100 processor that comes with Intel's UHD GPU. It is paired with 12GB RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. It comes with support for 45 watts fast charge technology and boots on the latest Windows 11 OS. It has a USB Type-C port and an audio jack on the sides. Chuwi MiniBook X is priced at $619. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.